Hello, Songbird. Welcome to day 6 of Sing Better in 7 Days Vocal Transformation Challenge. And today, would you like to learn how Whitney does this? Gotta love that gorgeous vibrato. And that's exactly what we are talking about today. Now, Songbird, if you want to get the most out of this vocal transformation challenge, I actually have extra bonus content that I'd love you to do along with this video. You can get free access to it by signing up for the 14-day free trial of the Songbird Vocal Academy. And every day I will send you the links to the exact bonus content that I'd like you to watch along with this video. And also for 14 days, you're going to get free access to all of my singing programs. Like seriously, what's not to love? Make sure you sign up now for the 14-day free trial of the Songbird Vocal Academy. Songbirds, vibrato is activated by two main things. Correct and effective breathing technique, which we covered in day 1 of the challenge, and also an open throat, which we covered in day 2 of the 7-day challenge. Now, today we're going to give you a little bit of something more on top of that in order to really activate your vibrato, especially if you're not used to singing with vibrato. This is going to be a fantastic activator. Now, I also just want to say that vibrato is not done by manufacturing it, by like moving your throat or moving your jaw or moving the worst one, that I just am just really don't want you to do is the, pushing your tummy in and out. Nope. These are all manufactured ways of vibrato, and to be honest, could be vocally damaging. So I want you and I urge you to stay clear of those things, but instead focus more on your breathing technique and also open throat. And here is an incredible exercise to help you activate it further. All right, the exercise we're going to do is a pitch bend exercise on an R. And we're going to sing semitones up and down. I'll show you what I mean. If you're loving this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Then you will never miss out on any videos that I drop on the channel. Now you're going to practice the pitch bend release on an actual song that you love or a section of a song. The thing about vibrato is don't put it everywhere. It then becomes, just not as powerful, all right? So what you want to do is choose the bits where you want to put vibrato and then just sprinkle it like salt, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate and then you give it a go yourself. Okay, so I'm going to give this a go on Whitney Houston's I Will Always Love You. And I'm just going to do it on basically one note, all right? When she sings and I, okay, the I, yeah? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to practice the pitch bend exercise that I just took you through, but on the song. So the starting note of the song plus a semitone down. I'll show you what I mean. Okay? So what I want you to do is to choose a song that you love where you want to put some vibrato in and try the same thing. Find the note that you're actually wanting to sing and then activate it with that pitch bend and then just sort of hold the note and let it go. In time, as you also strengthen your breathing technique, day 1 of the challenge, and also as you get used to always keeping your throat really open, day 2 of the challenge, this is going to get easier and easier. Now, don't forget, Songbird, there's actually bonus content that I'd love you to do along with this video. And you can get free access to it by signing up for the 14-day free trial of the Songbird Vocal Academy. You'll get the extra content every single day of this challenge, as well as full access to all of my singing programs. So don't forget to sign up below. Well done, Songbird. You just finished day 6 of Sing Better in 7 Days Vocal Transformation Challenge. Don't forget to come back and meet me here tomorrow for the very last day of the challenge. And it is going to be an exciting one. We are talking about how to belt. Songbird, you know that I am always believing in you. So why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight and sing.